Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. Think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up here above 35 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 35, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up here above 35 cents, that would certainly be a huge sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. And keyword there being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, but very effective, if you just want a way to gauge this, the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above the purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the price action's at full strength. However you can best visualize that it is what it is representing. Again, yeah, staying above 35 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about areas of resistance? In terms of where the sellers seem to be at right now, that initial level right there at 42 cents, you can see a couple times, after that, late morning surge, the price tried to get up above that area at 42, but couldn't quite do it. So 42 cents is going to be that initial hurdle that the bulls will need to clear. And then after that, up there at the 46-cent mark. So all in all, though, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.